We are not handymen, but we are always willing to take on a project in order to save a little money. This is a door jamb that we replaced on both sides of this double door. Thankfully, a neighbor had this sweet tool that really helped us.
Now I'm tracing the outline or the contour of the door jamb. Okay, so now we are going to use our reciprocating saw and we are going to follow along the contour of the threshold on our door jamb. I put it in, it was pretty tight, so I used my rubber mallet, tapped it into place, and now we're ready to bondo.
Nice.
We totally could have used wood fill here, but since it's for an exterior door, we decided to go with bondo, but boy, this stuff is toxic. We were sure to use a door jamb so that it has the slit in it for your weather stripping. Pretty proud of ourselves for not ever doing a project like this before.